We're off to rural Monmouthshire today to see new builds from Melin Homes. Come with us and find out more.
Hi, I'm Caroline Summers. I work for the development team at Melin Homes. Today we're at our Llanyshin site in rural Monmouthshire, where we're building 8 new affordable homes for local residents. These homes will be a really high EPC B. We're using Celtic off-site timber frame construction. Within the properties, we've got next-gen infrared heating, which is a wallpaper heating that you can't see as it's built into the ceiling. We've got ACO sensors to monitor the health of the property, and we've got Mixergy hot water tanks, which are extremely efficient. So we're using United Welsh subsidiary Celtic Offsite to build timber frame properties here. So we're using a Welsh locally based company that employing local people. We're also using Cosgrove as our contractor on site here. They're based in Cardiff, so again another Welsh supplier. We hope that these properties will provide local residents with affordable, resilient homes that will last them for future generations, and to contribute to our work towards decarbonisation, ensuring that the homes are low energy and fit for purpose.